Please do open Surah Quraysh. We are going to learn the rules of Surah Quraysh today. This is Surah number 106 of the Quran. This is located in Juz 30 and its status is Makki. And this surah has 4 ayahs and 17 words and 76 letters. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف وآمنهم من خوف لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف صيف There is difference between saif and saif. Saif, this is light and it is giving the sense of seen. This is not seen, but this is saw. You need to pronunciate as heavy and full. Saif. فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف Okay, let us discuss few rules of this surah, Tajweed rules. If you remember, we discussed just recently the types of mad and its application. If huruf madda are coming, then it would be called as madde tabi'i or madde asli. Vaw, letter follows, carries dhamma. Ya, letter before it carries kasra. Hamza or alif, letter before it carries fatha. This is called madde asli or madde tabi'i. Other type is madde far'i. For example, vaw, the letter before vaw carries not dhamma but fatha. Okay? Ya sakin, letter before it doesn't carry kasra but fatha. Okay? There is mad, but this mad would be called madde far'i. Do you remember? Another two types we discuss, madde muttasil and madde munfasil. Okay? If hamza comes in the same word where it's also available, the mad sign is also available in the same word, and after the madda letter there is another hamza or alif in the same word, that is why this is called madde muttasil, jointed. Okay? If mad in a separate word and hamza in the next word, then this would be called madde munfasil, disjointed. Okay? We have examples in the last surah, Surah Ma'un and Surah Kawthar already, and now we are going to discuss some certain tajweed rules in Surah Quraysh, and we will more focused on the Mim Sakina rules. Tajweed rules of Mim Sakina. There are 3 rules of tajweed Mim Sakina. Okay? How many? 3 rules. Number 1, idgham. Number 1, idgham. When there is another meme after meme sakin, 2 memes are jointed. Okay? Meme sakin, and then there is another meme. Both memes would be merged. This is called idgham. And this would be bil ghunna, with ghunna. Idgham bil ghunna or idgham with ghunna. Meme, another meme.
One example.
For example, in this surah, the last ayah, الَّذِي أَطْعَمَهُم مِّن جُوعٍ أَطْعَمَهُم. Can you see the meme sakin by the end of أَطْعَمَهُم? Then the next is another meme. So both memes would be jointed, and this would be called idgham ma'al ghunna or idgham bil ghunna, idgham with ghunna. Okay? Min at'amahum, min, that's why you can see the shad on the next meme, because it is merger. Merger without shad not possible. Whenever there is merger, there is shad. Okay? 2 things merge, excessiveness is the result. Okay? أطعمهم من جوع. Follow me. أطعمهم هم. إدغام with gunna or without gunna? With gunna. Second rule of the meme sakin. If there is ba after meme sakin, ba comes after meme sakin, then there would be ikhfa. There would be ikhfa, hiding. Kya hoga? Ikhfa. Ikhfa means ghunna as well, because ikhfa cannot be performed without letting the voice to the nasal for the activity, and then definitely this is ultimately ghunna would be performed. Okay? For example, in the Quran there are so many examples. I can quote you from Surah Al-Baqarah, for example, Ayah 8, see it. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ وَبِالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. وَمَا هُمْ بِمُؤْمِنِينَ. Mim is sakin, and then what is coming the next? Ba. What we shall do here? Ikhfa. Simple ikhfa. إخفاء مع الغنة. إخفاء مع الغنة. إخفاء مع الغنة. وما هم بمؤمنين. Two roles of mim sakin.
Yes, sir.
First, idgham. Second one, ikhfa. The third one, if mim sakin is there, but after mim sakin, no mim and no ba. Any other letter other than mim and ba comes. Then what? Izhar, clarity of voice, not letting the voice go into the nasal. Okay, no ghunna, no idgham, no ikhfa. Okay, there would be izhar, clarity. So many examples in the Quran. Maybe in this surah, let us see of Surah Quraysh. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم إيلافهم mim sakin. What is the next? Ba? Mim? Both not?
Yes.
Another one? Ra. Other than bar mim are coming, there must be izhar, clarity. إيلافهم رحلة. Clear? Three rules. Number one, idgham. Number two, ikhfa. And number three, izhar. See Surah Al-Ikhlas. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد لم ميم ساكن या इजहार इख्फा क्या इजहार वलम यूलद वलम इजहार वलम यकुल लहु वलम इजहार क्लियर है मीम साकिन अनदर मीम मर्जर इदगाम मीम साकिन देन बा इख्फा ओके मीम साकिन other than meme and ba izhar. Wonderful, clear? لإيلاف قريش إيلاف مد طبيعي और मद فرعي طبيعي okay لافي two counts long stretch لإيلاف قريش قري ري مد असली और मद فرعي because ya but the letter before ya carries not kasra but fatha. We have to do here stretching mad, ठीक है, but this is मद فرعي قريش. Another إيلافهم مد असली إيلافهم رحلة تشي Alif Lam is available before Sheen, but what we are doing, Tashi, directly merging to the Sheen, because Sheen is among Shamsi letter or Qamri letter. Shamsi letter. Always before Shamsi letter, Lam would be simulated. Okay? Rihlatashi Thai Ta carries mad, but immediately there is another Hamza. Is there madde muttasil or madde munfasil? Madde muttasil, because in the same word there is mad, and after mad immediately there is Hamza or alif madda. Okay?
अगर सर ये वाव का होता तो ये मुंतज़िल है.
Okay.
Sir, the separately is
Ta'i, shita'i, one single word. Shita'i, wasayif. Wasayif, what is Saad? Saad is Shamsi or Qamri? Shamsi. Wasayif. Asli or Far'i? Madde Sayif. Wasayif. Far'i, because ya, the letter before ya doesn't carry kasra. Okay? فَلْيَعْبُدُوا What is do? Madde
Asli.
asli. Rabba هذا البيت. See, al-bayt, alif lam, then there is ba. We are simulating lam or not. We are pronunciating the lam. So that's why, because ba among Shamsi or Qamari. Qamari. هذا البيت. بيت. Again مد فرعي. بيت. الذي أطعمهم. مد منفصل. الذي mad is separate word. أطعمهم and the hamza in the next word. أطعمهم مد منفصل, the disjointed. Okay. الذي أطعمهم هم من جوع هم من مرجع. Okay. إدغام مع الغنة. Then من جوع نون ساكنة rules. Do you remember? نون ساكنة. If what is happening here? Min ju'in izhar. Izhar min ju'in. Idgham. Ikhfa. What is or iqlab? There is ikhfa. Because jim is not the German letter. Jim is not halqiya letters. Okay. So there must be ikhfa. Min ju'in. Then what is happening here? Wa amanahum idgham, because noon tanween then what is the next? Waw is among Jarmalun letter, so there would be idgham ma'al gunna. Ju'in wa amanahum min khawf. Min mim sakin and then min another mim merger with gunna. Min khawf. No. Okay. Min khawf. What is happening? Izhar, because ha is among halqiya letters. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us follow the last time. لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف. فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت. الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. So we learned today Surah Quraysh with Tajweed rules, with more focused on the Mim Sakina rules. 3 rules: Ikhfa, Idgham and Izhar. And we revised few of the Tajweed rules which we already have learned through the different surahs, past surahs. Then, وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.